So I went to the Meijer store this morning and got a couple of new Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse minifigures. Yeah, doing a parking lot review. It's high production values. All right. Well, I don't know. They're pretty cool. I like them. I didn't find the one I initially had been excited for, but whatever. Look, I'm just trying to burn up more than a minute here. All right. I'm tired of these. Sorry to be negative, but I mean, once again, I really like them, and I probably would try to collect all of them. I have my favorites, but look forward to more parking lot reviews.